Most students make one small mistake with quadratic inequalities. Let's solve this slowly and clearly. Step 1. Factor the quadratic. We have x squared minus 5x plus 6. To factor this, we need to find two numbers. When we multiply the two numbers, we should get positive 6. When we add the two numbers, we should get negative 5. So first, let's list the factor pairs of 6. The factor pairs are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. Now let's check 1 and 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, not negative 5. Negative 1 plus negative 6 is negative 7, not negative 5. So 1 and 6 do not work. Now let's check 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is positive 5, but we need negative 5. So let's try negative 2 and negative 3. Negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5, and negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So the correct numbers are negative 2 and negative 3. Therefore, x squared minus 5x plus 6 can be written as x minus 2 times x minus 3. Step 2. Find the critical points. From step 1, we got x minus 2 times x minus 3. Now we take each factor and set it equal to 0. First, take x minus 2, write it as x minus 2 equals 0. Now we want to find x. Because x has minus 2 with it, we add 2 to both sides. So we write x minus 2 plus 2 equals 0 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So we are left with x equals 2. Now take the second factor, x minus 3, write it as x minus 3 equals 0. Again, we want to find x. Because x has minus 3 with it, we add 3 to both sides. So we write x minus 3 plus 3 equals 0 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So we are left with x equals 3. Therefore, the critical points are 2 and 3. Step 3. Check the three parts. From step 2, our critical points are 2 and 3. These are not the final answer. They are the points where the expression becomes 0. Now remember this simple rule. The number of critical points plus 1 gives the number of parts on the number line. Here we have 2 critical points, so 2 plus 1 gives 3 parts. That means we need to check 3 parts. The first part is x less than 2. This means any number smaller than 2. The second part is 2 less than x less than 3. This means x is between 2 and 3. The third part is x greater than 3. This means any number bigger than 3. Now look at the question. It says less than 0. Less than 0 means we need a negative answer. So we test one easy number from each part. If one number from a part gives a negative answer, that whole part works. First, check x less than 2. Choose an easy number smaller than 2. Let x equal 1. Now put 1 into the factored expression. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. But we need a negative answer, so this part does not work. Now check the middle part. This means x is between 2 and 3. Choose an easy number between 2 and 3. Let x equal 2.5. Now put 2.5 into the factored expression. 2.5 minus 2 is positive 0.5. 2.5 minus 3 is negative 0.5. Positive 0.5 times negative 0.5 is negative 0.25. This is negative, so this part works. Now check x greater than 3. Choose an easy number bigger than 3. Let x equal 4. Now put 4 into the factored expression. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 times 1 is positive 2, but we need a negative answer, so this part does not work. So the answer is between 2 and 3, not less than 2, not greater than 3. The correct answer is 2 less than x, less than 3. Now it is your turn. Solve this question and write your answer in the comments.